everyone, this is Tim from Joysticks Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the dead zone on your controller or your Steam Deck and when you're playing. So maybe you're on the big picture mode, or if you're in the desktop mode, I'm going to just press the Steam button, going down to settings, and let's go to settings. I accidentally missed it. Now we want to go to controller under here. And we have the PS5 controller. I'm going to go to the Steam Deck. Actually, just look at these options. They're going to be the same. I need to set this up for my PS5 controller. And I'm going to go on down over here. And we got calibration advanced settings, so we can open this up. We got the left and the right stick, so we can go to the right stick now. And we can adjust the dead zone right here. So the dead zone is way too big on the PS5 controller, so I'm going to bring this all the way down. Same thing with the left one. I'm going to bring this one down to maybe like 26 or something. So this one I don't mind having a little bit higher. And then we got the gyro and the haptic. So make sure you adjust this. And then I can go back. Here's the gyro, haptic, LED lights. And then we can do the same thing on the Steam Deck. Let's look at the options on here. It's the same thing. So I'm going to bring this down because when I'm in the desktop mode, it's very hard to control it if you don't have an accurate dead zone. So I'm just going to adjust it, and then I should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Joysticks Studios.